Franks, ingatan mo ako next eh. Sobrang iksi. Hindi ko alam kung palit ng tuning ito ng throttle or sprocket. Okay guys, good day. It's the launch of Triumph's new 660 bikes. These are going to be the updated versions of the Trident, the Tiger, and the Daytona. So come with me, puntahan natin Triumph Alabang, and let's check out the new bikes. Walang test ride today because, well, it's raining. So unfortunately, walang test ride today, but we'll see. We still brought our stuff. So hopefully, kung hindi man tayo makapag-test ride, we get to check out the new bikes and share it to you guys. So, I'll meet you there. Magdadrive muna ako. Bye-bye. See you later.
Shift and assist clutch. No, now when this is shift and assist, it's called the quick shifter, up and down, the auto flip, and the tight clutch pull. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Alright, yun ang malaki. Alright, so the best in its class. A new size fuel tank, it's now 18 plus liters. Parang it's more than 1 liter increase from the original. Let's unveil it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright. Okay. So, thank you very much, Donnie and Sunny. Sunny and Donnie. Okay, so when you look closer, you would see that it actually looks more like a Trident 800. I know that this seat actually came from the Daytona 660 because somebody from the One Triumph PH group tried to switch out the seats. So these are probably the same. Okay? Another major change, I almost forgot, is that the rear shock is now preload and rebound adjustable. Before it was just preload. So now at least makakontrol mo yung rebound ng shock. Also a revised frame, slightly revised. New headlight with DRL, daytime running lights like the Trident 800. Now with all these bikes, one advantage for Triumph customers is that the service intervals are 16,000 kilometers between PMS, between service, or 1 year, depending whichever comes first. And also with our tires, all these tires are really nice. We have the Michelin Road 5s for the Tire Sport and the Trident. And this is a Metzler MTEC 9RR. So, track day road tire. Okay guys, for those of you later on who want to try the bikes, we have demo units there of the old ones and the new ones. So you can compare. Alright, so let's repeat the price. Next slide please. Okay, for the Trident 660, click again. The SRP is 549,000. Wow. So dati 524. Konti lang nilahat with all of the added features and the added cosmetic changes and performance changes. Okay, SRP is 578. Okay, what was the original price?
566.
566 to 578, magkano yung difference? 12,000. Magkano yung quick shifter? 24,000. Oh, di pa nandun natin. Diba? Tiger Sport 660. 588,000 from the original price?
572.
From 572,000. 16,000 difference. You get how many more horsepower? No, from 94 from 81.
13.
You get 13 more horsepower, more torque. You get 6-axis IMU for this bike. Okay, so that's it for you. Those are the prices. Thank you very much. Alright, thank you very very much. Okay.
Ano, test ride ba tayo? Ay, wala kasi lang gamit eh. As usual, wala kaming pakita. Kain ng
We do want the control and connection that Clutch Lever provides, particularly at low speed. Triumph's seamless.
Ano pa, kaya tayo nag-triumph eh, hindi dahil sa motor eh.
Pagkain talaga ito eh.
Kasi hindi sila nagtitipid sa pachicha eh.
Naglumi yung mga taga-South.
From the bike in all conditions and every mood. There are 3 riding this already flexible.
Sige,
With sport, red, mode, and modes available.
Paranaque, pero Batanggenya.
kaya pala. Hindi na namin uupuan yung Trident tsaka yung Daytona. Kasi yung Trident na bago, same lang ng seat height ng 800. Nando kami nung test ride, nandito yung video. Tapos yung Daytona, naka-Daytona siya.
Kaya huwag na yun.
Ay, wag na, okay na yun. Pero joke lang yun, sasakyan ko pa din. Trident ako eh. Ganda nung white. Ha? Oo. Ito pa rin. Ganda nung white. Ganda nung white. Lagi ko sinasabi, ang ganda ng red ng Triumph. Maganda rin sila mag-white. So, we're going to try out the Tiger 660. Na-try na natin yung Trident. Of course, we own a Trident and we've also tried the Daytona. So, we're going to try and test out the Tiger, the new Tiger 660. Pero siguro kung meron na try natin yung iba, kung papayagan. Trunks, ingatan mo ako next eh.
Mas maganda yung Trident 660.
Ah,
Yung dito.
maganda siguro yung kulay black.
Oo nga.
Tapos naka-tail tidy.
Tapos nilagyan ng quick shifter.
Naka-record na ba?
Ay, ano ba ito?
5'8".
Sige. Video yung ito bro.
Ay, sige. Thank you. Pang ano, normal na nila lang. Okay na. Okay. 7. Ah, bagong-bago.
Kape. Ito lang kulay na ito.
Ikot ko muna. Woo! Okay, so we're here with the Tiger 660, yung bago. Okay, we're doing a test ride of it. So seat position, very relaxed. Whoop. Guys, full disclosure, first time kong makasakay. It's my first time to get on an adventure bike. Or at least a touring bike. Ayan. The Daytona. Ay, hindi. Trident. So this is my first time on a touring bike and ang ganito pala feeling, no? And it's comfy, it's very comfy. Okay, the quick shifter is smooth. I like that. Okay, the quick shifter is way better than the old 660s. Diba? Mas smooth siya ngayon. I just can't seem to downshift. There you go. Okay. But in terms of feel, it's a tall bike but it's very comfy. But I guess that goes with adventure bikes talaga. Or at least sport touring bikes. Let's have another go. Hindi tayo lalayo ngayon, guys. Okay, that's very good. Okay. Now, to be fair, or at least to be completely honest, I don't have anything to compare this to because I haven't been on a Tiger 660. It's my first time on the bike. All I can say is, well, a very comfy feeling, yung upright seating position. I guess you all know that already. Let's try kung pwede nating matest yung other bikes later. So we're now here with the Trident 660, the new Trident 660. At least I have something to compare to kasi naka-Trident din ako. But let's see how it is compared to the old one. Ang ganda nito, hindi ko pa kasi na-try yung gantong motor eh.
First time niya mag-try.
First time ko kasi magta-Trident. Ikot ko na.
Okay, so nung palit ako ng bike, parang gandang-ganda lang naman ako ngayon sa Trident. Parang kainis.
Ano lang yan, you want something you don't have. Ikot mo na ako. So we are here on the new Trident 660. We're checking out the new bike. At least dito, I have something to compare to. Okay, I have a Trident 660, the first version, but I've also tried the Trident 800. And so now we're trying out the new Trident 660. So let's see how it compares. So tingnan natin kung paano. First off, okay. So same with the first first with the Tiger. The quick shifter is a lot smoother. Pero I wanna see something. Okay. It seems that hindi ko alam kung dahil sa tuning ng throttle or nagpalit sila ng gearing with the sprockets front and rear. Pero basically the first gear is a lot more serviceable now. For my Trident 660, nagpalit ako ng sprocket sa harap. And that's because parang hindi ko masyadong magamit yung first gear niya. For me, parang first gear is something you use to move. Parang yung sa kotse ko kasi parang ganun din. Dito I can stroll comfortably on the first gear. Sige. Mas usable yung first gear niya ngayon. Yung first gear niya ngayon mas usable. Yung sa lumang Trident, sobrang iksi. Hindi ko alam kung palit ng tuning nito ng throttle or sprocket.
Akala ko yung dati, second gear kagad.
Pero nga, yung dati. Kasi sobrang iksi ng first gear. Ito hindi, umiikot ako naka first gear lang eh. So, ayun. First gear is a lot more serviceable. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pang stroll. And same comment with the quick shifter. The quick shifter is a lot smoother in the sense na wala siyang kadyot. Ayun, I just shifted. Again, walang kadyot. If I do that at low RPM with the older Trident, kumakadyot na yun. Pero, mas matigas ang shifter. There's no give. As in, pag sungkit mo, shift ka agad. Which is the same comments that I gave the Trident 800. Handling wise, it's about the same with my 660. There's the snappy throttle.
Okay. So we're here with Sir Donnie, branch head ng Triumph Motorcycles BGC.
BGC yan. Ano ba? So again, gusto ko magpasalamat muna on the One Triumph PH community for supporting our event today, launching ng Daytona, upgraded Daytona Tiger and Trident. Actually, it's more than what you pay for in terms of pricing versus dun sa mga upgrades. So, I'm inviting everyone pag nagkaroon tayo ng demo day both dito sa BGC Alabang and Triumph BGC and Triumph Alabang Premier Showroom.
Dun.
Thank you naman.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Donnie.
Alright.